Welcome to topic 5.6 Plan Resource Management. A resource management plan is a tool that project managers use to effectively organize, manage, and lead the project teams. When a project manager develops a resource management plan, each resource is assigned a role and responsibility. Let's take a look at the steps involved in creating a resource management plan. Step 1. The project management team will create a work breakdown structure. A work breakdown structure identifies work activities and assigns resources to the activities. Step 2. The project manager will create draft work documents such as organizational chart. An organizational chart, also known as an org chart, is a pictorial representation of a project's hierarchy. It shows reporting responsibilities, both matrix and direct. The roles and responsibilities document discusses role, which describes the function of the position or person within a project. Authority, which gives authority and responsibility to apply resources and make decisions regarding the project deliverables and resources. Responsibility, which assigns duty and work that a specific position or team member is required to complete. And finally, competency, which identifies a skill set and capacity needed to positively complete assigned work. So guys, this brings you to the end of topic 5.6. Thank you.